Heroes, this is Gus from the Hero Hub. I'm glad you made it back because we have a big problem. Like a big problem. Thanks to your heroic descent missions, we restored part of the emergency landing system. But glitched Gus must have realized we were making some progress because now he's attacked the rescue network. The lines that connect the Hero Hub systems are stretching and snapping and glitching out. If we don't repair them soon, we could lose communication with the entire Hero Academy system.
The Hero Hub belongs to me now.
Okay, first of all, rude. Second of all, heroes, we are absolutely not letting a glitchy copy machine villain tell us what we can and cannot do. This week, we repair the rescue lines. Your mission this week is Rescue Line. You'll be testing rubber bands to see how they stretch, how far they can reach, and whether there is a pattern in the way they change. Because real heroes do not guess, they test, they measure, they look for patterns, they use evidence. That's how we fix the system. That's how we solve problems. And that's how we keep Glitch Gus from turning the Hero Hub into digital spaghetti. Before you complete the math mission, you need to unlock your reading task. This week's reading unlock is list 3 ways, 1, 2, 3, that you are similar to or different from the main character in your book. You could think about how they act, how they solve problems, what they're afraid of, what they're good at, what choices they make. Heroes learn from stories, but they also learn about themselves. This week's math mission. You'll use rubber bands to create and test a rescue line. Depending on your grade band, you may count and compare lengths, measure how far the rubber bands stretch, and record that on a data table. You might look for patterns, or if you're an engineer, you might identify a rate or constant of probability. Do not just pull the rubber band one time and call it done. That is not science. That's chaos with office supplies. Test carefully, measure accurately, write down your results. This week's Gus Memory Hack is stretch per band, keep it in hand. Say it with me. Stretch per band, keep it in hand. That means we are paying attention to how much length each rubber band adds. If one rubber band stretches a certain amount, what happens when we have 2 rubber bands? What happens with 3? Does the pattern stay the same? Patterns help heroes make predictions, and predictions help us repair the rescue network. For this week's mission, you may need rubber bands, a ruler or a measuring tape, paper, pencil, and a small object to use as your weight. You could use a little rubber ducky or a little Lego toy, something that has a little bit of weight that you're going to save from hitting the ground. Do not snap the rubber bands at people, at pets, at siblings, grandparents, or even that innocent ceiling fan. Heroes use tools wisely. When your mission is complete, upload your proof of power to the Padlet. You can upload a photo of your rescue line, a picture of your data table, a short video of your test, your measurement results, your explanation of the pattern you found, then add your sticker or check to mission 3 on your master hero map. Every mission completed repairs another part of the Hero Hub. Need help? Come to Hero Hub mission check-in on Tuesday from 9 to 12. Bring your hero map, your packet, and your mission materials if you have them. We can test, measure, and troubleshoot together. Your rescue line mission starts now. Repair the connection, find the pattern, restore the network, and heroes, be ready. Because the rescue system comes back online, Glitch Gus may go after the Hero Hub defense system next. That means next week could get messy, possibly launchy, possibly shieldy. Stay sharp, recruits. Gus out.